What's up guys, it's Wubny here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about a crazy item that can sell upwards to $200. What is the item, you may ask? If you didn't see it in the thumbnail, it's a 3DS XL. A quick tip when it comes to selling consoles or anything video game related: if you buy frequent lots, keep the accessories. For example, I probably could have got $200 if I threw in a few styluses or a few other DS accessories. But for just a console with the case and the charger, I got $189 plus shipping. You can look to find these items on places like Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp. There's always listings up there with people trying to get rid of their whole video game collection or people just trying to sell individual items. You can try to find them at yard sales. If you do go the yard sale route or even the Facebook route, I recommend trying to buy as many items from that one seller as possible. If you buy more than one item or more than a couple items, they're more likely to give you a discount, and you could be paying a fraction of the price you would have paid if you just wanted that 3DS. Also, when it comes to any consoles, especially handhelds and DS's, you need to test them in depth. When it comes to 3DS's, there can be touchscreen issues, there can be charging issues, there can be issues, most common that I've seen, where it can't read the cartridges. So make sure before you actually list the item, you test it in depth, make sure there's no issues, and if there is issues, make sure you put them accurately in your listing. And lastly, it's a first class item. Personally, I don't ship it first class. What I do is I put it in a box that weighs about 12 ounces, and then I throw it in a padded flat rate. But if you wanted to go the first class route, you can ship this item first class. I don't ever insure any of my packages because I've never had an issue. But if you didn't want to insure your package, you can do that for cheap as well because the item is really light. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Get ready to see me in this outfit for a couple more videos because I gotta grind these babies out for you. Thanks for watching and keep flipping.
They all trying to be around, now I'm winning. I make it hits, but I'm still independent. Lil' homie, I've been low-key chillin'. Tell your mom when I'm back, I'll be in it. I got a baddie in the West End, brought a best friend, got a bag on my left wrist. Fucking next bitch, had to go. Pull up in a new wig, got them clueless on my new shit. I'ma have to move on the low.